Do you know what the absolute pinnacle of luxury looks like? Not in a penthouse, not on a private jet, but sitting in a vehicle that was handcrafted with such obsessive attention to detail that even the floor beneath your feet has been engineered to make you feel music. That is the Range Rover SV Ultra. And by the end of this, I guarantee you will see why this machine is in a category entirely its own. Let's talk about what moves this thing. The SV Ultra comes with two powertrain choices, the P550e plug-in electric hybrid and the P615 V8. And if that is not enough, Range Rover has confirmed a fully electric version is coming later this year. Now, here is where I have to be straight with you. The document does not hand us specific horsepower figures or a 0 to 60 time for the SV Ultra specifically, because this vehicle is less about raw numbers on a spec sheet and more about how it makes you feel from the moment you sit inside it. The powertrain is there to serve the experience, and what an experience it is. Now let's talk about the outside, because the SV Ultra does not just pull up, it arrives. The signature paint finish is called Titan Silver, and it is exclusive to the SV Ultra. Why exclusive? Because of how it is made. It uses real, fine aluminum flake combined with advanced pigment technology to create a surface that looks less like paint and more like liquid metal frozen in time. Highly reflective, iridescent, with a mirror-like quality. You genuinely cannot replicate this on any other Range Rover. Complementing it are satin platinum atlas and silver chrome accents that elevate the grille and side graphic, while 23-inch alloy wheels finished with satin platinum inserts and brand new Range Rover center caps complete the look. Is there a downside? Titan Silver's specialized formulation means your color options are intentionally limited. If you want bold or dark, this particular finish is not it, and that restraint will not suit every buyer. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is light. The interior is wrapped in a duotone orchid white and cinder gray ultra fabrics finish. And this is a deliberate choice away from leather. Why? Because the engineered softness of ultra fabrics allows something leather physically cannot. A laser-crafted mosaic perforation pattern applied across the sculpted upper sections of every seat, carried through the inserts and backrests as one unified, highly detailed surface. It is genuinely stunning. Then there is the rattan palm veneer. Using a patented technique that preserves its natural grain, the veneer is finished with an orchid white tint that enhances its open pore texture and linear structure. It runs beneath the single touchscreen and all the way through the cabin to the electrically deployable club table in the rear, and continues to the powered door of the integrated cooler compartment. Gloss white ceramic controls, orchid pearl SV speakers, orchid white seatbelts, SV Ultra branded tread plates. Every single element speaks the same language. A new elongated scatter cushion in Kvadrat Remix textile, made from wool and recycled polyester, adds softness and contemporary shape to the rear. Now, the honest truth, all this white and pale gray is immaculate. But immaculate requires maintenance. In real-world use, that light palette demands care. Now the technology, and this is where the SV Ultra does something no car has ever done before. For the first time in the history of the automobile, electrostatic speaker technology has been brought into a vehicle. The SV electrostatic sound system features 21 lightweight thin film transducers integrated within the redesigned winged headrests, seatbacks, and existing speaker locations, including the headlining. Each speaker contains an ultralight membrane just 1 millimeter thick, suspended between two perforated metallic plates. This membrane responds up to 1,000 times faster than a traditional speaker, delivering immersive, crisp, distortion-free sound normally only found in a recording studio or through the finest headphones. And because this is Range Rover, the system was tested for over 1,000 hours in conditions ranging from -20 to 65 degrees Celsius. It uses up to 90% less power and saves 90% of the mass compared to conventional coil speakers. It contains 0 rare earth elements and is manufactured entirely from upcycled and recyclable materials. 5 existing bass loudspeakers in the body and soul seat system provide the low-end foundation. The body and soul seats themselves use AI-optimized software to analyze music in real time, generating in-seat pulsations so you feel every beat as well as hear it. And beneath your feet, the sensory floor adds haptic feedback through 4 transducers under the floor mats in every passenger footwell. So the music literally moves through your entire body. 6 wellness programs ranging from calm to invigorating can measurably improve heart rate variability, reducing anxiety or enhancing focus, depending on what you need. Cargo space, ground clearance, safety ratings, and precise pricing. The document Range Rover released for the SV Ultra intentionally leaves those figures out because this is a vehicle sold by invitation. When a brand does not publish a price, it is not hiding something. It is telling you something. This is beyond a transaction.
The Range Rover SV Ultra is not a car you buy with your eyes. You buy it with every sense you have. Comment below. Does world-first audio technology in a luxury SUV actually matter to you? Or is this just beautiful excess? Let me know.